Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Aries. This is weekly reading for the month of September. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past Aries. Fire sign. Lot of readings got Hermit card. 10 of Cups. Recent past. 8 of Cups. I think for some there is separation between both of you in past, but you both, one person still hoping for this connection, still want 10 of Cups with the other person, and one person is spiritually awakening in this connection. It could be you or your person also. For some there is separation. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Aries, Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, things are turning in your favor. Chariot. Wow, definitely there is some movement between both of you, even if you are in separation. Yeah, I think one person is very sad without the other person. Definitely they are not sleeping, they are very emotionally addicted to another person. So let's see some more messages. Ace of Swords. Yeah, some communication is going to be happen between both of you if you are in separation. 6 of Cups. Yeah, lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. 5 of Cups. Yes, definitely one person is very 8 of Cups, 9 of Swords and 5 of Cups. Very sad without you. It could be you or your person. If you are feeling very sad with your person, it could be you, or if you are okay, then your person feeling very sad without you. Definitely you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Reconciliation. Definitely your person want reconciliation. They want to talk to you, or you want to talk to your person. Truth coming out and some communication, new beginnings. Definitely your person want new beginnings with you, or you want new beginnings with your person. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Hangman. Yeah, they are spiritually awakening. Hermit and Hangman. Aries. Yeah, juggling. 2 of Pentacles. Your person is juggling between two things. It could be you or another person. King of Wands. Definitely Queen of Wands. Yeah, you both are strong couple. Definitely there is lot of passion between both of you. So under the cup, 9 of Cups. Definitely your person wishes are going to be true, or your wishes are going to be true. So let's pull some more cards from universe for final message regarding the connection. The Moon. Yeah, someone in this connection hides something from the other person. Misconceptions are there between both of you. Judgment. Yeah, reconciliation. And 9 of Wands. 7 of Cups. I think under the deck, Page of Wands. So now I am getting, I think your person, are you very guarded in this connection? They want, but they don't want to put any effort. And 7 of Cups. Definitely there is some confusion in your person. I think your person may be confused between things because the juggling and 7 of Cups. Definitely they are confused, they are scared maybe. The Moon. Definitely there is lot of things are there between both of you, have to sort, because without with all the things, you person not getting any clarity. First you person have to get clarity to take this relationship to next level. There is some juggling, and your person also scared and confused between things, whatever, or maybe they seeing options. But still one person in this connection wanting reconciliation, very sad without you, or it could be you or your person, depends upon your situation. Definitely separation, but still one person want to come back and want new beginning, but one person is juggling. So who is that person depending upon your situation? So Aries, definitely there is lot, one thing is final, you both are strong couple. There is lot of passion between both of you, because King of Wands and Queen of Wands, lot of passion. So this is the reading for you Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.